Beautiful people, today you're going to learn how to make Chef Damon's vegan cornbread. I'm going to be doing this two ways. You're going to want 1.5 cups of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of cooking oil, 1 cup of plant-based milk. Then moving on, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and a teaspoon of salt. Now, we're going to go in with the dry ingredients at first, give that a good whisk, make sure everything is well combined. Next up, going with the liquids, we're going to whisk that as well. Now, Chef Damon's a very, very special character. He's on TikTok, absolutely incredible guy. Make sure you go and follow him if you have that platform. I'll be putting a link in the description.
Beautiful people, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you like vegan recipes from all around the world, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more.
Now we're going to grease whatever it is we're cooking this in. Usually you'd use a cast iron skillet. I don't have one of those, but I've got something pretty damn heavy here. Underneath all that enamel there is definitely iron, it weighs a ton. I'm going to bake it on 180 degrees C or 355 Fahrenheit for about 30, maybe 40 minutes, just until it goes golden. Then we're going to do a toothpick test. If the toothpick comes out dry, we are good to go. Poke the sides around a little bit, loosen it up, and there you have it. I got a bit aggressive while cutting this, as you can see. I kind of mashed up the sides. Now, in a different type of baking tray, can't remember the name of them, but basically this is a different method of doing it, and it comes out equally amazing. Really, really, really nice. It's sweet and it's delicious. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. As always, if you like vegan soul food from all around the world, make sure you hit that like, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment if you wish. It's all appreciated. Ciao for now, folks. Love you all. See you on the next one.